Guys, this is Sudesh and in this video it's about the 5 businesses that will be affected if work from home is made mandatory after lockdown. First, we will look at how big is the IT sector is in India and then move to the businesses. Everyone knows that IT industry is big in India and that contributes 55% of revenue to the country. The IT sector in India stood at 177 billion US dollars revenue generating in 2019, witnessing a growth of 6.1% year on year, and is estimated that the size of industry will grow to 350 billion US dollars by 2025. India's IT industry grew to 181 billion in 2018 to 2019. Exports from the industry increased to 137 billion in financial year 19, while domestic revenues including hardware advanced to US dollars 44 billion. IT industry employs 4.1 million people at financial year 19. IT industry is so huge that it will definitely impact the businesses that relate to them directly or indirectly. Let's move on to businesses that will be affected if work from home is made mandatory after lockdown. First will be the transportation business. IT industry has many cabs and buses that gives commutation facility to the employees because most of the IT companies are not within city limits. These cabs and buses are not owned by companies directly, rather than they are operated under a contract basis with some travels firm, and there will be huge job loss in those travel firms. Most of the people working in these firms are lower or middle class people. Their life will be a big question mark. Second will be the restaurant business. You may ask me that restaurants run good even in lockdown time with the help of Swiggy or Zomato. Some restaurants are based focusing the IT people. You can see many restaurants around an IT park. As I am based in Chennai, I could see the OMR Expressway has many restaurants because more IT companies are located there. And even DLF IT Park in Porur has also many restaurants surrounded by them. These are few examples to explain. There are also food courts in most of the IT parks and their business will also go down. Most of the people working in those places are low class people, their jobs may be lost and their life is even a question mark. Third will be the clothing industry and those big brands who have their showrooms near the IT park. Many IT people stay in PG or rental houses that are located near IT parks, and if they want to buy clothes they will definitely go to the nearby showrooms. And if everyone works from home and there will be no business for those showrooms, and those PG buildings will also lose their business and they will be empty. If you are aware, you can see lot of PG buildings in IT focused areas. Fourth are those small food outlets like tea shop and snack shop. Those shops will have good business due to their low cost and decent quality in their food. Not all IT guys are richy, so many would opt for local food to satisfy his budget, and there will be no business to these types of shops. These shops are run by poor people who want to fulfill their daily needs with this business. I can't imagine about the situation if work from home is made mandatory. Fifth will be office space that is occupied by many companies and they are paying rents for those office spaces. Companies are making work from home mandatory to decrease their fixed costs like rent and transportation costs and increase their profit. If they vacate those office spaces, those people who are working to maintain those office spaces will lose their job, and many are from lower and middle class people who are getting paid from their office to maintain those office spaces. Many unskilled jobs will be lost if work from home is made mandatory, and those jobs are done by daily wage workers or those from low class. I just thought of sharing this thing to you guys. If you find this informative and you need others to know about this, please share this and let others know about it. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more informative content. That's all for this video guys, and I'll come up with another video. Until then, it's bye from Sudesh. Stay safe.